Change.org seems to be bullish on Shiba Inu, and I have a strong thesis behind it. I gotta be honest. I have my opinion, and it's very strong. And I'll tell you why. First of all, they tweeted about it. If you haven't heard, there's a new cryptocurrency on the market introducing shibcoin. The market is buzzing. There's a petition with more than 10,000 signatures asking GameStop to set Shiba coin. 10,000 signatures. We've got over 160k. Let me do it again because I did that yesterday. Let me do it again. Searching for Shiba. We have like 100 and something thousand people to list it on Robinhood, but there's no way I can remember that where it is. Ship to Coinbase. Come on. Yeah, we talked about it. Robinhood, 159,000 on Robinhood. So they're one of I guess Shiba Inu is one of the hottest cryptocurrencies to have a petition on. Even we have a petition on it. We'll talk about it in a little bit. But it's not about me. It's about Shiba Inu. Signatures asking GameStop to accept shibcoin. Retweet if you agree. Retweeting right now. You should retweet it as well. But this is major news. They're pumping Shiba Inu. I guess people, the reason why they will do that, there's only one reason. They're seeing an increase in Shiba Inu relevancy right now. Exactly, 89. It's super relevant. This is a few days ago. This is on the 16th, but it's trading upwards, that's for sure. And also, not only that, but they're also finding more searches from, they can see that on Google Analytics and their search console. People coming to their website from Shiba Inu searches. So they're pumping their search results by doing so. I've got a lot of very insightful info that I'll share and technical analysis. But before we start, I gotta ask you to like the video for the algorithm. It really helps out. And to keep in mind that the video is no financial advice. Just a random dude on the internet making a video at 8 a.m. trying to entertain you and bring you with up-to-date to the news. Again, like the video for the algorithm. This helps out so much because I'm here to serve you, the viewer, and bring you up to date with the latest news and developments in the crypto space. So if you want to learn anything around that, definitely subscribe to the channel. And I've also partnered up with Bybit to bring you something very special. Since I'm sponsored by Bybit, I can bring you a very cool discount. You can see it in the link in the description of this video. The first 30 people that sign up and deposit using my link will get a bonus. If you want to buy Shiba Inu, buy it from Binance or for US residents, Gate.io. I have a link for both in the description below, and you're also supporting the channel when you're buying it from here. So thank you if you liked and subscribed after hearing this. Really helps out. You have no idea. So I already drew a trend line because I just finished a video on Shiba Inu CNBC, but this is the main event we're looking for. But let's talk about the petitions on change.org. So even we have a petition. It's not going that well, but maybe you can say change.org crashed on me. But that's not perfect, I guess. But our petition is to realize that Shiba Inu is the real Dogecoin. This is my petition. And we don't have that many people signing. It was like 4 yesterday when it came out. I haven't checked ever since. And I want to check now, but look at that, it doesn't work. But I guess too many Shiba users crashed change.org's website the same way they crashed Coinbase's Pro Ethereum contract. But the interesting thing is they're listening to these petitions. You see, on the May 17th, yes, it took nearly 2 months. That's not 2 months, a month, for this to work. But 9,000 signatures signed, and we have Shiba Inu on Coinbase Pro, but soon we'll have it on Coinbase. Obviously, the volume meets their criteria, and obviously it can meet their criteria, right? If we go to coinmarketcap.com, we can see Shiba Inu was on the 30th spot somewhere around here yesterday. Market cap just below 3 bill. We can easily If we get to the Coinbase Pro news, we can easily get to 5 bill or 6 bill, in my opinion. And if we get to the top 20, I think that they might consider it. So there's a lot of hodling we have to do. I'm heavily into Shiba Inu, but again, no financial advice. This cryptocurrency can go to zero. If they say no Coinbase announcement, we break out from this channel, right? And we break this support level 68, and we break the major support level at 55, but 600 is where a lot of people are accumulating, as we talked in a lot of videos. We're going to be forgotten, but I don't think that's the case. My opinion, my way to trade it, because we have a very huge interest in the cryptocurrency. We have a lot of people talking about it, a lot of news. Voyager, CNBC. I have more information and more videos that will come out. We have petitions for Shiba Inu to be added to PayPal, petitions for Shiba Inu added to be used on McDonald's, Robinhood, 159,000 supporters. Do you understand the community behind Shiba Inu right now? Burn petition. There's so many petitions. Look at that. There's so many created petitions in the last few weeks. List Shiba coin on Coinbase, another one with 5,000 supporters. Shiba Inu is a currency payments for Amazon products and services. This is insane and has 25,000 supporters. This is mind-blowing. On eToro, yeah, we covered that, and there's a chance, by the way, that it will be listed on eToro, and here's why. I made a video on it. If you want to learn the whole thing, here is a video on it. Uploaded it 13 hours ago. It's worth the watch. But if you're just waking up and wondering, well, what should I do? What's cracking? What's good with Shiba Inu? Is there anything interesting that I should know? Well, here's what you should know, in my opinion. So Shiba Inu's price right now is waiting for the Coinbase Pro announcement. We should hover above 680. Below 680 is bad. People that bought in here will start being at loss here. So I think they're buying dips, just like this one with lower RSI, just like they always are on Shiba Inu, as you can see here. In general, when RSI falls below 20 on altcoins, that is a good signal if there's no bad news. In my opinion, this is the way I trade altcoins, and this is a very good entry. As I made a video yesterday around 6:37 when it was 720, 710, 720. I think I was making a video when it was 700, the eToro video, and I said that was a good entry, and it was. You would make like 6-7% if you bought some at 700. Now it's at 740, nearly 10% if you sold here. But this is all hypothesis. These are good entries. These are okay entries. I've actually entered for a majority above while hearing for the Coinbase news, maybe around the 800s area, which is not great for the majority of my Shiba Inu stake. I have some both lower, but this is the majority, which is definitely not perfect. But I'm holding. I'm not worried. I'm waiting for an announcement. I can wait it out. I hope we have an announcement sooner than Monday. I think we'll have the announcement on Monday, because normally they announce it that around, they say plus 4 hours. That's like 1 p.m. New York time. 1:30 p.m. New York time is when they have their announcements normally. So this is something that you should definitely keep in mind. So as I said, I'm here to serve you. I'll make a lot of more of these videos to keep you updated with all the news. I'm actually not going to be home for a day, and I'll still make videos. I think I'll bring my camera with me just to keep you updated if there's some major market movers. If we have the Coinbase Pro update, I'm going to be hyped. Just turn on the camera and start recording. So yeah, if you appreciate that, give me a like, and you're the reason I'm making this video. So see you in the next video. Bye.